Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can bend object in Fusion 360. So the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and create your sketch. So let's say that we want to go ahead and maybe create something like a spoon object. The thing that you want to do is to use the fit point spine. So from here, you then want to adjust the bend of your object or body the way you want to. So in our case, let's go ahead and simply do it this way. And I'm fine with this one. Just click on the checked icon after finishing up. From there, click Finish Sketch. You then want to use the extrude option, and then you could extrude this to whatever you want to. So let's choose this one. And to make things a lot easier, you could also click on the thin extrude option, select the actual bent object, and then you could use this arrow in order to extrude it the way you want to. So if you're making something like a spoon, maybe you want it this way. And of course, from there, you could just move on with the edits that you want on your object. And so that's how simple it is. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.